So today I'm gonna go over how I passed my FTMO challenge in less than 30 days. As you can see here we have the general statistics of my account, average profit, average loss ratio. This was a 10k account, and as you guys can see, profit target was 10%, which I exceeded here. My win rate is around 43%. My average profit was 45 euros and my average loss was 22 euros. I usually aim for a 2-hour target, so if I'm risking 1 hour, I aim for 2 hours. If I'm risking $100, I'm aiming for $200 gain. My max profit in this account was 550 euros, while my max loss was 255 euros. As you guys can see, my max profit is around 5% and my max loss is around 2.5%. And I'm gonna go over this in a bit, where the number is so big. And here we can just see general statistics of the account and stuff like this. This was the phase 1 account, and this one is the phase 2 account. So obviously the target is 5% on this account, and the win rate is around the same as my phase 1. Average profit around 100 euros and average loss around 50 euros, obviously 2-hour risk to reward. My max profit in this was 9%, which some may think this is crazy, and our max loss is around 1.2%. So you guys can see here. Now, my risk management strategy for these challenge accounts, obviously I take an aggressive approach when going for these challenges. So my risk per trade is around 1.5%. The key here that helped me pass these accounts very quickly is sizing up when I'm in profits, and based off obviously market structure and stuff like this, and size down when I'm in a loss. So I usually I aim for 1.5% risk per trade. I take around 3 trades per day, per session, 3 to 4 trades depending on the outcome. And the key here is obviously sizing up when you're in profits and sizing down when you're in a loss. My take profits were another key factor here that helped me pass these accounts, was taking profits and partials after key levels, or at least 1.5 hour. So, you know, if the price is going in my favor, I usually take partials, and I always leave a runner. This right here is key for passing challenge accounts, and I'll show you this right here. As you guys can see, I was in minus 5% drawdown. In 2 trades right here, I managed to pass the account. So I took profits around this area, and I left a runner. Gave me 9%. That's where 9% is coming from, which was this runner right here. So I always recommend for you guys to leave a runner if you're taking these accounts. And if we're gonna go over my trading journal right here, you guys can see my trading journal, numbers of trades I took. You can go click on this and see the notes and the trade itself right here. This journal, if you guys want access to this, it will be in my Discord server, which I will leave a link in the description for, where you guys can see my trade journal. You can copy this and use this as your trade journal as well. And yeah, basically you can see every single trade I took. And now when it comes to my trading plan, I trade the Nasdaq US 100, and out of discretion, because I've been trading this instrument for a long time now. So basically my overall trading plan is like, look for monthly bias, fair value gap, and clear drawn liquidity. Same with the weekly and daily. Now these are not required for me, because obviously I trade this every day, and every day you will not get a monthly and a weekly. For me, what's required is 4-hour or 1-hour confirmation with FEG PD arrays from this time frame, and 50-minute and 5-minute is also very required, and my entry is usually on the 1-minute time frame. Now my risk management right here is my minimum RR is 1.5 hour depending on target, and my maximum RR is 3 hour depending on target, and I usually leave a runner, as I mentioned before. I usually risk around 0.25% to 2% depending on the account. So also when it comes to challenge accounts, I take an aggressive approach and just want to pass them quick. So I used 1.5% to 2%. Now this is all allowed with my psychology, which is if I take 3 losses in a day, I'm done for the day. If I take 2 winners on the day, I'm done for the day, and I only trade the New York Open AM session. So 9:30 to 12 AM New York time. Now my goals going forward is obviously getting a payout and a refund for the 10k FTMO. I'm also planning on trying out the Apex accounts, 50k Apex accounts, and I'll also take a very aggressive approach when it comes to these. And I've also bought a 100k FTMO and Alpha Capital accounts, which I'm gonna try to at least pass one of them. So these are my goals for June. Obviously we're in May right now, but June is in like 3 days. Now when it comes to trading improvements, things that I've realized I need to get better at is spotting market maker models, because I've realized sometimes I disregard this model completely when trading, but I have to make sure I see it before taking a trade, and I think this will definitely help me a lot. Also, I'm being way too impulsive sometimes, and I'm not waiting for the right confirmations. This works well sometimes, I've realized, for me, because I do get a very big risk reward when I'm not waiting for a confirmation. But I think in order to improve my win rate, which I'm trying to do, at least get it up to 50%, I'll have to definitely wait for the right confirmation. And yeah, be more patient obviously with trades. Always take into consideration the 15-minute or 1 hour or 5-minute obviously. So yeah, if you guys want access to my trading journal, as I said, I'll leave the link in the description for my free Discord where you guys can join. And I'll also leave my trading plan in the Discord as well, which you guys can check out and copy and look at as well. Thank you guys for watching, and comment down below what you would see in the future, and see you guys next time.